Have you ever wondered if something that seems too good to be true actually is? In the world of personal finance, one of the most common pieces of advice is to check your credit score and report regularly. It's the key to understanding your financial health, and it can be the difference between getting approved for that new credit card or loan, or getting denied. But let's be honest, paying for a credit monitoring service can feel like a chore, and it can add up. That's why services that promise a free credit score are so appealing. Capital One's CreditWise is one of the most popular, but the question on everyone's mind is Capital One CreditWise really, truly free? The short answer is yes. It's completely free for everyone. You don't have to be a Capital One cardholder to use it, and you don't even have to enter a credit card number to sign up. So what do you get for free? CreditWise gives you access to your VantageScore 3.0, which is a different scoring model than the more commonly used FICO score, but it's still a great way to monitor your credit health. It's based on data from TransUnion, one of the 3 major credit bureaus, and it's updated weekly. Beyond just the score, CreditWise also provides a ton of other useful tools, all at no cost. You can get alerts if there are any significant changes on your TransUnion or Experian credit reports, which is a fantastic way to catch potential identity theft early. It also includes a simulator tool that lets you see how different financial decisions, like paying off a credit card or taking on a new loan, might impact your score before you even make the move. So, while it's true that the score you get from CreditWise might not be the exact one a lender uses to approve you, it's a powerful, free resource for staying on top of your financial well-being. It's an excellent tool for getting a general sense of your credit health and a great first line of defense against fraud. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.